Hello, it's me, Connor. And look what's happening. Here, looks like it's everything you can think of. It's like why? Look at that. You can see. Oh yes, I actually have. Look at this. Look at that. And look, we even have another fidget toy. And this is actually really satisfying to do. Look at that. That's really cool. And what else is there? Oh, an unlimited peas. Look. Peas. There's some peas. Peas. Who wants some peas? I don't think anyone likes peas, so I do. And of course, yes, we have poppers, but this one is a bit sus. Look at that. Ah! And this one is you can chew on to give it to your dog. And this one smells like Willy Wonka's chocolate. And look at this. If we actually smooth it out, you can see there's like a little ball. That's it. And this one is really satisfying to do. Look at this. Look. Oh, yeah.